children of Standard 5, we have been discussing test paper 2, and in that context we discussed fill in the blanks, and we have been discussing the short answers questions, and we discussed question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Today I am going to discuss what are deficiency diseases. Children, this question we have discussed in good health chapter, and we discussed that the diseases caused by deficiency of certain nutrients in our diet are called deficiency diseases. So children, all the nutrients are having their own function in our body, as we studied earlier, like carbohydrate, fat, protein and vitamins and minerals. But we also discussed when we are having the deficiency in our diet, the lack of these nutrients in our diet that culminate and that can cause the deficiency diseases. So we studied about the vitamin A deficiency can cause night blindness, vitamin B deficiency can cause beriberi, and vitamin C deficiency can cause scurvy, vitamin D deficiency can cause rickets, and all of us know that when we are compensating and when we are having these nutrients in our diet, we can be healthy, and we will not have the deficiency diseases. So we discussed about the balanced diet. All the nutrients in the right proportion are required for a balanced diet, and all these nutrients are needed for a balanced diet. So these deficiency diseases are, although non-communicable diseases, but they are very much required, although the vitamins and minerals are required in a very small quantity, but they are required for the balanced diet. And all the minerals, iodine, deficiency of iodine can cause goiter, and all of us know that they can be when we are having the seafood and the iodized salt in our diet, then we can we will not have the goiter disease. So deficiency, this is the shortage and the deficiency and lack of the nutrients in our diet can cause the long lack of long, when we are having for the long period these deficiency of these nutrients in our diet for long period, we can have the several kinds of diseases. And the question number 8, discuss first aid for severe burns. Severe burn can cause blister which should not be pricked because an open wound can catch infections. We should apply an antiseptic lotion or a paste of baking soda and water and cover the burn with the sterile cloth. And if we should not prick the blisters, and we should go to the doctor for the treatment. So define, the 9th question is define migration in animals with examples. The seasonal movement of birds and animals from one place to another is called migration. And all of us know that for the suitable climate, they are moving from one place to another place for the suitable atmosphere where they can get enough food and the proper mate to bring progeny for their race, for the continuity of their race. And for example, dragonflies migrate to southern part of Asia during winter. An African elephant migrate in search of food. Salmon fish migrate from salt water to fresh water for reproduction. So migration is a kind of adaptability by some animals when they are not getting enough food and the suitable climate for their survival. They move from one place to another place, and again they will be back when the atmosphere and the climate will is become suitable for them. They can be to their original place. So seasonal movement by some animals for certain regions for to avoid the adverse climate is called migration.